Hi everyone and welcome to this video. After covering 3 AI functions in Excel, the AI Ask, AI Fill and AI Extract, today I'm coming with the fourth one, the AI List. So let's dive in to see how it works.
So here I'm in Excel and I will show you how we can use the AI.list function. So I will go into this cell here and I will type equals AI.list. Then I will choose the prompt. The prompt is in this cell and I'll close the bracket, press enter, and as you see, it gave me the 10 biggest countries in the world in terms of area. Now the second example, here I am prompting to give me the countries with highest population, but without mentioning how many countries I wanted to list for me in the prompt. So another solution to do that is to write AI.list, then the prompt, and then in the second part of the function I can specify how many elements I want from this prompt. So for example, I will say 6, close the bracket, press enter, and now it gave me the 6 most populated countries in the world, which are China, India, United States, Indonesia, Pakistan, and Brazil. Of course, I can go back into the function. I can change this into 15. It will give me 15 answers. So here I can also easily put the number of elements that I want AI list to include in the list that's created.
Great, now you know how to use the AI.list function and you can add it to the list of functions in Excel that you can work on. Let me know in the comments if you like it and if you find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to hit the like button. See you.